way back to the dump yard. Seems people walking around